Hello friends, due to some technical problems I have to stop that video, and this is the second part of the video. Actually, as I said in the last video, that doctors must have to contain certain documents in which they have to show that they are working some clinic or they are running some clinics, hospitals, and also all their original documents have to be needed for this what you call for registration to this Bajaj Finserv Health. First of all, if you are having some, if you are running some clinics, they only need is because for your approval of the your profile, the what you call the Bajaj consultation firm need to have your clinic's address, prescription book, I mean the prescription, your KMC registration, then again your what you call certificates, your all your MBBS and your clinical certificates, degree certificate mainly, and also they needed is how much money you are charging to your patients mainly. So all these things they will document, and after that you have to send all these documents via WhatsApp to an employee of the Bajaj Finserv Help, Bajaj Finserv Health. So they will take all the documents, and after that again another employee, another officer will call you at your particular time, mainly a female consultant. She might be also a doctor only, so she will call to you and she will show you mainly the app in which she will going to tell you how are you going to she will mainly confirm your details first of all, just like your documents, whatever the thing you have done, MBBS certificates and all other certificates. Then she will going to teach you how to use the app. In the app mainly, just like what you needed is how are you going to register the patient, or how the patient will call to you. Mainly if you the patient, again there are two different options are here available. If the patient is a routine patient to your clinic, then only need to that the patient will take an appointment through the app and he will show you personally to your clinic, in which you will take the fees from the patient directly, and you will going to consult him and prescribe the patient medicines. But at the same time, if a patient is from the online consultancy, then what happens, the Bajaj consultancy, the Bajaj Finserv Health, they will take the prescribed fees from the patient. It will be just like pre-charged fees. They will already charge the patient for that particular that particular consultancy. Then the patient will call to you after the appointment been confirmed from yourself, and at that time again you need to go through all your clinical requirement from the patients for the diagnosis, and depending upon that you are going to prescribe him the medicines. That is you will generate a prescription. Once the prescription is generated, again he will have to download and take the medicines as it is required. For you people, what happens means, you have to confirm, you being a doctor, you have to confirm the appointment, and you have to talk to the patient on call or video call to the patient, and you have to generate a prescription. Now the main thing remaining is how the Bajaj himself will charge the patient, and also how they will charge you for using his app, and how they are going to pay you. The first thing is how they will charge you the patients. For patients, what happens means, they will going to just like if you are having 100 rupees fees, and the patient will be charged just like 200 rupees from the Bajaj Finself Health, and in which they are going to pay you 150 rupees for your consultation, and 50 rupees will be charged as a fee for using the app for from yourself. And from also the patient, they will offer some offers. There are very good offers from the Bajaj Finself for the patient also. Just like if they are using the app for the first time, it will be totally free of cost. And also if they are using the app for the second or third time, they are going to give them 50% discounts on the doctor's fees. Whatever the fees the doctor might be, it may be around 500 rupees, 300 rupees, whatever the fees the doctor is having, they are going to totally free of cost to the patient for the first time. And also for the second time, they are going to give some discount offer, just like 50% discount, 60% discount. It will be decided by the company itself. Okay, so now the main point what is remaining is, after using this, how will they pay you, doctor? Now they are going to pay you weekly, just like you have to give all your bank details PAN card, everything to the again in the app. You can edit it anytime, anywhere in the app itself, and they are going to pay you directly in the bank. And also one more important thing is this app is not just the patient consultancy, but also a patient manager. You are going to see all the patient documents, details, his tests. So it is a very good and useful app, not only for the patient but also for the doctor. So at the end, I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to tell you that all for my fellow doctors, just go through the app once, download it the app, you can register it, or you can also go through the links provided in the details of this video, and you may going to register with the app also, or you may if there are some patient, you can also go through the link given in the details below and book appointment to this Dr. Yogesh. He is also very good. You are going to have your first consult is totally free of cost, so you may use this as a very useful in this COVID times. If you people are having any kind of doubt, you are just going to call me, or you're going to just comment in the comment section, and I'm going to reply for this. So at the end, I'm just going to ask you all my video listeners to just subscribe my channel and share it with your friends if you find this video as helpful as I think. And at the same time, you can also press on the bell icon for receiving all my future videos at your fingertips, at your notifications in your mobile at the right time. So thank you friends for giving me this much opportunity to explain you about this app and its usefulness. Thank you once again for you all, and I'm going to all you if anyone wants any help from our consultancy, you are just going to comment in the section, and I will chat you back. At the same time, just request you all to download the Bajaj Finserv app given in the link section, and call any specialist doctor in the world and in the India also, and take free of consultation, free of cost at this time, and during this COVID times it will be very helpful to you. So thanks a lot friends, may God bless you all. Thank you.